Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I have a HONEYZ mail unboxing. I picked this up, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? I'm going to start with my Christmas cards. Okay, I got this Christmas card from MeMe. You know, Forever MeMe or MeMe Forever. This is like the Carrier and Ives Christmas scene. It says Merry Christmas. It's a pretty card. It says, with many good wishes for Christmas and the coming new year. Many blessings to you and family in 2023. From Melissa. Forever MeMe. There's a little butterfly in here. Thank you, MeMe. Thank you very much. And I have one from Penny. Picked it up the day before yesterday. Okay, and it has a pretty poinsettia flower on it. I had a poinsettia about 3 or 4 years ago, and it lasted a long time. I heard that they're poisonous, so I don't need none around no little kids. But they're very pretty. Anyway, very pretty. It says, warmest Christmas wishes. Then it has the first Noel. The reading inside the card is the song, the first Noel. The first Noel. You don't want to hear me sing. Okay, and it has all that. It says, to MzBrazell and family, sending you the warmest greetings of the season. Greetings of the season and the best in the year to come. From Penny Crudup. That's how it looks on the inside. It's pretty. The flowers all over it, yeah. Christmas poinsettias. The true meaning of Christmas, which is Jesus. He's the King of Israel that was born. Okay? Jesus is the reason for the season. Okay. Thank you, Penny. And thank you, MeMe. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, something came to my post office mailbox. I couldn't imagine what it was. So, well, what is this? Because didn't nobody tell me they were sending me nothing. Well, one person did. But I got that one. So this came. And of course it's from Amazon. And it don't say who else it's from. There's no tags in here saying who it's from. But I know who it's from. Okay, it's from Val. She had sent me one sunshine seasoning. She had told me to expect it a certain date and it never came. So she had Amazon send me out another one. So in the meanwhile, the other one came and it had the gift paper in it. It was a gift from Val. This one came, there's no papers in it. So I guess this is the other one. So thank you. I think that happened last time she sent me something too. I appreciate it. Thank you. Because I put this on some naked chicken. It was good. Now, of course, I use other seasonings too. But this flavor stood out. It was very good. The Sunshine all-purpose seasoning from Tabitha Brown. It's really good. Well, you either like it or you hate it. Because some people, they can't stand it. I think that's because it don't have salt in it. You can put salt in it. And it's good. Alright, here's the other one that I've been expecting. She told me to expect it. Tanya V. Okay, she's from Brooklyn, New York. Came in this nice package. Well padded. I haven't opened it yet, even though I picked it up a couple days ago. Okay. Got two in here. to Walter and Cheryl. And this is wrapped. Wow. I kind of want to put it under the tree because it's wrapped. I have no idea. Smell it through the box. Don't smell nothing. Can I open these? It don't say on here, don't open it. She wrapped them up so nicely for Christmas. Should I wait? And this one is heavy. I want to open this. I'm going to open it. Just did my nails, y'all. I stuck a couple decals. I don't like this hand because this nail is too big. I don't like this. I didn't match this nail up right. That's the only finger that ain't right. And y'all probably wouldn't have noticed if I didn't say nothing. But I noticed. I was doing a live streaming with my daughter, Nicole. And I was doing my nails as we were doing that. I wasn't paying much. Oh my. I've seen these. Wait, I'm trying to pull this paper off. So perhaps I can stick it back in this paper. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at this. A little baby cast iron skillet with a bake-in brownie skillet, Ghirardelli, peppermint bark, peppermint square, and brownie mix. So it got some kind of mix in here that you're supposed to bake in this little bitty skillet. This is the cutest little something. This will fit in an air fryer too. This is so cute. And I've seen stuff like this. I never bought one. I've always admired them. This is cute. It's going under the tree. Put it back in this package just like this. Thank you very much, Tanya. I really appreciate this. I really do. Well, let me open this other one. Since I'm opening gifts. Let's see what's the easiest end. This one. She got on here to Cheryl and Walter. I figured this is probably Walter's. That one is mine. That little skillet. It's so cute. So, I don't see no name on here. I don't want to do the wrong thing. Okay. She got it wrapped, y'all. Okay, I have to tear it. What's that? Calendar. Mediterranean foods. Greek American calendar. We served the best since 1974. I think one of my kids was born in 74. Okay. So Greek calendar. And they used to give out calendars at different pharmacies and different drugstores. They don't give them out no more. You got to buy them. So it's nice if you can go to Dollar Tree or somewhere and get your calendar before they're gone. She sent me a calendar. I see some of the places in Greece. They got some Greek writing on here. Interesting. Mediterranean foods. Nice. Thank you very much, Tanya. Okay. This is the cutest little something. Thank you. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Val. Thank you, Penny. And thank you, MeMe. Thank you. Because you ain't got to even send me nothing. You ain't got to think about me. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. This is too cute. Hold this up. I hope she didn't expect me to wait till Christmas to open it. She should have put it on the package. Don't open till Christmas. Okay. This is the view from my front porch. It ain't got on my steps yet, but it's blizzard and you can't see where you're going. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go to the back door. And here's the back porch. Steps are covered. It's supposed to drop to 30 below zero, wind chilled. Wind chilled. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my tree and then I'm done. Okay, here's my Christmas tree. And yeah, I got that up there. Look at that. That's my star shower lights. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, and all that. Okay? Whatever y'all celebrate. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.